Earlier on in this course, I think it was back in section 4, I introduced you to working with styles that are built into Word. Things like the heading styles. Now I want to take it a step further, get a little more advanced with styles, and really see more capability come from them. When I introduced you to styles, it was about formatting. You got consistent formatting that you could reuse through your document. For example, using the heading style, if I look at my Home tab, you got your Styles section here, and I got one called Heading 1. I can use that style to go through and format all my headings. Paragraph headings, section headings, whatever it might be, but I remain consistent because I'm using that predetermined formatting, that predetermined style throughout my document. Makes it really nice and consistent. But there's so much more involved in styles, and I want to show off a couple of the features here. But first, we got to get the document formatted using these styles. So let's revisit that. So first off, I've got this 3-page document. You can see down there about at the bottom, I got page 1 of 3. This is the example file that comes with this lecture. You can download it right off this video. It's number 14, Heading Styles. Make sure you download that. Now, throughout these 3 pages, I've got various headers using the Insert tab, picture formatting, power of videos, and so on. And one more header and another subheader. I got lazy there at the end. But I want to go through and I want to format those. I want them to look like headings. So I'm going to select Fun with Videos, and that's going to be a main heading. Inserting videos, that's going to be a subheading, so I'm going to ignore that. Fun with Pictures, that'll be another main header. I'm just holding down my Control key and clicking in the margin here. I'm going to keep going. Another subheader. Picture formatting, let's see, what was the one before that? Fun with Pictures, those will be both be subheadings. Power of Videos, another control click, and another header, another control click. So those will all be my main headers throughout my document. So now I'm going to go up to my Home tab, I'm going to go over to my styles, and I'm going to format them using Heading 1. Boom, there we go. So now throughout my document, all of those headers that I had selected are now nice and pretty, nice and formatted, and they're consistent. Now let's go through and let's grab the subheaders. Inserting videos, using the Insert tab, picture formatting. Let's see, I think I had one more here and another subheader. Now this time, these are subheaders, like subtopics under these main headers, so I'm going to make this a Heading 2. They look very similar, they're a little bit smaller in font size, but now I've got subheaders throughout my document. Main headers and subheaders underneath some of those main headers. All right, cool. So now I've formatted my document and I've made it consistent. Okay, 3 pages, 20 pages, 100-page document, really quick, really efficient. Now, it's not just about formatting. I want to show you in the next couple of videos what else you can do with these headers. But first, get this set up. So download the number 14 Heading Styles document. Go through and format the main areas as Heading 1, and then the subheaders as Heading 2, just like I did there. Now the Heading 1, Heading 2, and perhaps Heading 3 styles are some of the most common styles that people use within their Microsoft Word documents. And there's a few reasons why. One, they're default. They're built into the system. They're quick and easy to use. Number 2, there's many features within Word that rely on those styles and actually benefit from those styles. Here's one of them. Now that we've formatted our document using Heading 1 and Heading 2 styles, and I can keep going with Heading 3, Heading 4, Heading 5, Heading 1 and 2 and 3 are the most common, but you got some other ones as well. Now that it's formatted that way, Microsoft Word automatically creates an outline for this document based on those headers. And this is all done through the navigation pane, something else we looked at earlier when we were talking about find and replace. On my keyboard, I'm going to press Control F. Control F. This will open up my navigation pane. You can also go up to your Home tab. On the far right, you can go to Find. It'll be the same option, Control F or Home Find. Now, inside the navigation pane that opened up, I've got headings, pages, and results. Now, results we were looking at earlier when we were talking about finding. Here, I want to look at headings. If you look closely underneath headings, these right here, the ones I just drew the arrows next to, those are all your main headers. Heading 1 style. The ones underneath there that are slightly indented, those are using, what do you think? Heading 2 styles. Now this is an outline view and I could use it to navigate as part of the navigation pane. This is kind of like a little built-in table of contents. I can click on Power of Videos and it would take me right there, Power of Videos. I can go to one more header and it would jump me to that portion of the document. A nice interactive outline, all built for you based on using the heading 1 and heading 2 styles within your Microsoft Word document. Thank you, Microsoft. All done for you. All you had to do was format it. So try this out. If you haven't done it already, get the styles in there. Remember, using heading 1, heading 2 at least. You can use heading 3s and 4s, get more subheaders underneath there, but at least a heading 1 and heading 2, and then open up your navigation pane, Control F or Home, Find, and now you've got a super slick, interactive outline view of your document based on those headings. All right, let's take this one step further. So you've got this larger document that you've now formatted using heading 1s and heading 2s and so on, these built-in predefined formatted styles. You now have the navigation pane, Control F, where you can get the outline view and use it to navigate. You can also, and I'm going to get really giddy about this one, this is a super slick feature. You can also use the navigation pane incorporated with those heading styles to reorder your document. So imagine this. You've got a larger document. It's 10, 20, 50 plus pages big, right? Some huge document. And now you decide, you know what? I need to reshuffle some of this content. I need to put what's on page 3 earlier in the document. Or I need to take what's on page 20 and move it up closer, or vice versa. I need to reshuffle or reorder content within the document. Well, by using the headings, we've now got the navigation pane. Remember, Control F or Home to find. I can go in here to navigate to the different sections. I can also click and drag sections. So watch this. I got Fun with Videos up here. It's on page 1, and then I got Fun with Pictures. All the way down here, I now go back to Videos, the Power of Videos. Well, I want to put those two next to each other. So I want to take Power of Videos. If I give that a click, it's all the way down at the bottom of page 2. There it is. I want to take that and I want to drag it up to be right underneath Fun with Videos section. So I'm going to left click, hold down, and I'm going to drag that up. See that blue line that's following me around? Once I find the spot, I'll let go. And I've now changed the order. So Power of Videos, it's now on page 1, right next door to Fun with Videos and Inserting Videos. Let's try that again. I'm going to take, you know what, I want to take Fun with Videos and the Power of Videos one, and I want to move that to the bottom of the document. Well, I can either move Fun with Pictures up and one more header up above, or I'll just grab Fun with Videos, drag that to the bottom. I need to take Power of Videos and drag that to the bottom as well. And now, Fun with Videos, Inserting Videos, and Power of Videos is all down at the bottom of the document. Power of Videos, there it is. And Fun with Videos is on page 2 and page 3. And one more header, it's there at the top. And Fun with Pictures is now the first topic within my document. So in the past, it used to be a lot of cut and paste. You ever do that? Open up a large document, cut and paste, and move stuff around. What a hassle. I always find it, I cut something out, I go paste it in, then I realize, oh, I forgot something. I got to go back down, grab that, cut it out, go paste it in, or I put it in the wrong spot. Here it's just click and drag. Very interactive, reordering large documents, all based on using the heading styles, once again, and using the navigation pane underneath heading.